Hey guys, I think this is recording. I'm not sure it is. If it's not, this is what is going on outside. As you can kind of see, there's barely anything going outside. It's the light switch. Here's the bathroom. Where's your flashlight? Or this camcorder has another slide. Okay, I didn't know that. Oh, there's a light. No, turn the f*** on. Shut up, camera. I'm kidding, guys. It's my phone, as you probably heard. The freaking notification sound. But if you guys were to use this app that I'm using, let me know. Comment section below. I'll probably just forward you guys by this app. I'm not sure if I did, but you can tell this is real. No editing. But I'm gonna run out of film. You guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this fake video. And let me know if y'all want to see this. Peace out.